Family base is one of the ways that you can get a green card. Basically, it means you have a family member petitioning for you. And one of the categories within the family base category is the immediate relative category. And that's a very common category for U.S. citizens petitioning for either a spouse, a parent, or a child. And a child is defined as anyone under the age of 21. So the immediate relative category is as the name indicates. It's immediate. There's no visa that you need to wait for. There are two ways that you can apply for an immediate relative. You can apply for immediate relative in the United States if your spouse, parent, or child is in the United States, and we call that an adjustment of status application. Or if your relative is outside the U.S., you could apply for an immigrant visa at the consulate, and we call that consular processing. So if your relative is in the United States and you want to apply for a green card for them, you're a U.S. citizen, you would file the Form I-130 along with the Form I-45 and additional forms with the Department of Homeland Security in the U.S. If you're outside the U.S., your relative, your parent, your child, your spouse is outside the U.S., and you're going to go through the consular processing route, you would file only one form within the United States. You'd file the Form I-130. Once that Form I-130 is approved, it's sent to the National Visa Center, which is part of the State Department. They will review it. They'll need additional documentation. And then once that's approved, the National Visa Center will send it to your local consulate for your family member to go for their interview and obtain their immigrant visa.